G'day, my name's Juliet and welcome to my second video on this channel. Hello, if you haven't already, please make sure to go check out my first video that kind of explains what the YouTube video is about and kind of introduces my family. If you're new here, which you most likely are because as I said before, this is only my second video on this channel. Australia Project is me, my mum, my dad, my little brother and my dog China travelling around Australia in a van, but we're not up to that part yet. We're up to the part of building our van, and this is what this video is about. I really hope you enjoy this video because there is a lot of laughs and you'll see a lot of me failing. I'm actually pretty proud of myself because I did a lot more in 2 days than I thought I would, but yeah, this video is over 2 days, me trying to figure out how to use tools that I've never used before. So I really hope you enjoy, and if you do, please make sure to subscribe and also follow our Instagram, which will be up on the screen and also down in the description, because that way you can see some behind the scenes and also a little bit more about us. Okay, so I'm gonna be quiet now and you can go watch the video. Let's go. So I probably shouldn't be trusted with this, but here it goes. So because I don't know what I'm doing, I'm gonna start with this one. This little book here and then this thing right after. So let's see if I can do it. I had some lessons before, but I don't know. My dad taught me. Oh, it's on the wrong side. It's hot. Jeez! Ow!
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Remember, keep crusher, that's it.
It's out.
No, put them all in the box.
I did it! Oh, so do it sideways.
Sideways.
Oh, so okay. Thanks, Dad. Came off.
Well done. She did it.
Because now I'm professional, I'm going to work on this. I know.
Slow down. That's it. Good girl.
This is hard work.
Rhubarb.
Dad?
You just rhubarb everything.
Dad! See the... Would you mind just lifting this up for me?
Juliet's got a screw loose, look.
Dad, stop being... You're so annoying. You're so embarrassing. So that wraps it up for today. I've done a little bit, about an hour's worth, but I have to go now because I have to go babysitting. But I'll probably do some more work tomorrow, and I guess I'll see you then. Let's go. YouTube magic, am I right? So, it's the next day. I'm going to be taking out these things, bunch more stuff, and I'm also going to be bringing out all the stuff that I've already taken out to give you guys a better look of how much I've actually taken out. So, in like the half an hour of work that I did yesterday. So, here we go. I don't know if I can do this one. Ow! Oh my god. So now that that's done and I've put that over to the side of the van, let's get on with the, hold on a second. So now, let's get on with the drilling. How the hell was this thing screwed in? It wasn't. So the whole time this thing could just come out. Oh, that's so bad. Okay, so I know I am pretty strong, but I'm not strong enough to carry this, so I'm going to leave that in there for a while. I don't know what to do next. So since I can't exactly figure out how to do undrill some of the stuff in there, I think what I meant to say was unscrew. Because the drills are like hidden behind other things. So I'm just gonna speak. So I'm just gonna take out this and this one for now, and then I'll figure out how to do stuff in the van. But I'm gonna reposition you so you get a better look first. Managed to move this big blue thing that was there before. I don't know how, but I did. I'm surprising myself today, that's one thing for sure. Dad, where's the Phillips screw head? Okay. Okay, I think I'm gonna need a wrench. I got a wrench. Why is this thing so... Alright. I don't know how to do this. It's really hard. Dad?
What?
I don't know how to do the wrench. It's
What?
really hard to tighten it. Go away, Mozzie. Go away.
What was it you're trying to do?
I'm trying to...
Oh, no. Hit that. Music at all. See if that fits over the screw.
Over?
No, just fit that on the head.
Oh.
There you go.
No way! Whoop whoop.
Okay.
Trying to do it with a wrench that whole time. Oh! Uh-oh. Dad! I need help!
You done?
Got it? Look!
Yeah, bring it.
I did that.
Back to the bones. You've done a good job.
I don't know how I'm supposed to get this out because this one is actually really heavy. And you can't take the drawers out to make it lighter. I don't know how I'm going to do this. A little bit of a angle change, but I'm going to be doing this thing in here. I'm really sorry, but the van right now with all of its crappy woodwork and shelves and stuff, it's really hard to find a spot to film from my phone. So this is as best as I can do right now. But yeah, this is what I'm going to be working on for the time being. So let's go. Okay, so I've done that. Now let's move on to the next task, which I need to look around to see what I can do because my strength is limited. So I'll be back. Okay, so just very small, but I'm doing this one and this thing now. That's a real hazard.
What is?
This thing. You could easily just like bang your head or like, and it's really sharp too. So that one's done. Okay, so we just took out the top shelf up here, and it was pretty, like, it was a little bit of a challenge, but it was mostly just because I was scared. But we've literally just got rid of all of, and by we, I mean me, because Dad only helped me with the top shelf because he has a sore back. So I have gotten rid of all of this whole wall except for that thing, but that can just come out really easy. And this thing can come out now as well, this weird looking, I don't even know what it is. The person who owned this last, for some reason, thought that it was an awesome idea to drill straight through the van. So now it's exposed to the elements, so we have to cover them up. And yeah, just start on building it, I guess, after we've stripped everything out. So yeah. Ooh. Okay, so it's the next day. Ooh. So it's let's start over.